Hello everyone, thanks for joining us on another great home tour today. We're out in the southwest part of town, so out kind of in Blue Diamond in Las Vegas. Got a really cool home, has so many upgrades and so many unique features to it that I had to have the awesome homeowner Jose, who's out with me, accompany me on this just because I don't want to miss anything. So of course my name is Jake Burkett with Real Broker. Thanks so much for joining us. Please always like, subscribe to our channel. We'll continue to pump out these videos. I'm going to put all my contact information right there on the screen. If you want to call me, if you want to text me, if you want to visit our website, feel free and go ahead. So before we head into the house, let's talk about it. Single story, 3-car garage, 3-bedroom. Also has a bonus room right now set up like as a studio, as a game room, and it has a really gorgeous office. We do have RV parking here on the side of the house. Really nice, quiet community, and the backyard. So that's all I'm going to say about it. Let's head on. You ready to go in, Jose?
Yep.
All right, here we go. All right, as we're heading in, I'll let you know it's just over 3,000 square feet as well. The lot is a little bit bigger than a quarter acre at 11,700 square feet. And of course, coming up to the house, you can see it's beautiful. We got this nice covered patio out front. Got this awesome, beautiful wrought iron gate door. And all right, we're gonna head in. Home is super technologically advanced. There's security systems, everything is automated. Jose just opened up the door off of his phone, so it's pretty cool. And here we come, right into the front door. All right, so we come into the house and we have the this great living room right here, of course. Got a nice little tray ceiling with some crown molding. You can see some lights up there as well. And let's just go straight into the kitchen, shall we? So, Jose, you want to tell me a little about this kitchen? I can see you guys have Viking appliances. I can see you've got some nice...
all upgraded Viking appliances. I mean, chef's kitchen as far as what my wife says. She loves it.
And of course, and we have Annette Hoyt with us. Thank you so much for joining us. This is Annette's listing, so we appreciate...
Beautiful, huge pantry, soft close cabinets.
Very nice.
Upgraded Viking appliances. Reverse osmosis, soft water, beautiful, beautiful granite.
Got the formal dining room here a bit. So we got all these windows. We have plantation shutters all over, so you get an abundance of natural light coming in. You can see the can lights in the ceiling. So just a really great place to entertain, unwind, hang out with your family.
Absolutely, we do lots of that.
Lots of it. I would too in this house. So we'll since we're right here in this living room, we'll take a peek at it. So I see you've done some work over here on the back entertainment wall.
Yeah. Now the fireplace is also, you can vent the heat into the house or you can vent it out. And also you can touch the glass. It won't burn any kids or anything like that. So it doesn't get hot. And it's actually a really nice feature when the weather's cold to vent that heat into the house.
That's really cool. So if y'all didn't catch that, so you could have the fireplace on in the summertime and not heat the house. You could put it out into the atmosphere outside. Or in the wintertime or cooler times of the year, you can heat it up in here. And,
Don't know if you noticed the custom paint on the speaker grills.
I do. I'd see that, but I'm glad you pointed it out. So we got some built-in surround sound systems. Got a sub down on the floor, and then instead of having these white, rather unattractive speaker covers, they are painted to match that stonework back there. So it's really nice.
Beautiful.
All right, so let's just take a quick peek. We're right here, right by the dining room. So this is a nice sized dining room. Of course, if someone needed to create an additional space in the house and they didn't want a formal dining room, I love this live edge table you all have right here. You could throw some French doors on here, make it an office, make it a bedroom, or it's beautiful exactly the way it is. And then let's go take a peek in the secondary bedroom, which is also an ensuite. That means it's got its own bathroom with it. So pop in here. What do we have? 9-foot ceilings here, I believe?
Oh, ceilings.
I believe they're 9 feet.
What was that?
How tall are the ceilings? 10 feet, 9 feet?
No,
Got
10
nice-
or 12.
Nice bathroom here.
Probably 10 or 12.
10 or 12. Okay, walk-in shower there, quartz countertops, nice little mirror. Got a cool closet, little additional cubby over there, so it's pretty neat.
The barn door.
Yeah,
everybody loves.
neat big old barn slider there.
Yeah.
has its own AC
Custom
for
made.
this system, for
That's
this
right.
whole section.
This room over here has its own AC, so if you have some elder parents staying with you or friends out of town that aren't quite used to the Vegas temperatures, they can, adjust the temperature accordingly and not blow
Absolutely.
your electrical bill. So right here, this looks like you guys made an office, just a nice, quiet little room to meditate, to gather your thoughts.
Yes.
Really nice. And then you did these floating shelves yourself over here?
we
or
did.
Really beautiful.
Yep.
Got
It's
some additional
custom
storage down below there. Got the glass French doors. All right, we're gonna save the backyard for last, folks, just because it's really great. So over here, we're gonna pop into one more secondary bedroom, and then we're gonna check out the garage, which is really cool. Before we go out there, of course, we have a full bath right here. Got a shower and tub behind there. Nice bathroom, cool mirror, quartz countertops. So if you have guests over, friends hanging out, that's probably where they're gonna use. Nice additional bedroom over here. And LVP throughout the whole house on the flooring, I believe it is?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, good sized rooms.
Yeah, it is a nice size room. All right, so where are we at? Right here by the garage, right?
Yep.
Garage slash laundry room. You can see some beautiful cabinetry, additional storage over here. Really nice, nicer than what most people have in their kitchens of their homes. Got additional little shelf right there. So 3-car garage. We pop in here. We got a tankless hot water heater over here. And these little Generac transformer switches. We're going to talk about those when we get outside. So really cool surround sound all throughout the whole house. All this additional storage over here. And this door over here looks kind of suspect. Can I go ahead and open that up?
Absolutely.
All right, so let's open this one up because we do know it is a 3-car garage, right? I'm gonna pop through one more little cubby. So how cool is this? Got the additional little storage over here in the single car, lots of storage room. Great little man cave, person cave,
Yeah.
however you want it to be. And then there we are, back into the house. All right, shall we go check out the the game room you guys have set up real quick?
Yeah, let's do it.
Perfect. And of course, online, please let us know what you like. If it's something you don't like, let us know about it. Leave a comment. We just love the engagement. We want to hear from you.
Hey, Carter.
Oh, we have some young ones in the house, so we don't want to put them on video. We're going to let them walk out real quick and just kind of survey the room, and then we'll pop in. All right. So here's another room. This could easily be another office. This could be a gym, set up as a game room, another chill room, another living room. Could also easily make it a bedroom if you needed. So we'll just kind of pan back around here, kind of get a thing. You guys are Broncos fans, huh?
Yes.
How do you feel about the Raiders? Maya?
No,
We're
you
Las
know
Vegas
what?
based
And we
YouTube
have
channel.
Raiders tickets also.
All right, very, love it, love it, love it. All right, let's go take
we
a
love
peek
Vegas.
in your primary bedroom. Sound good?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to do that. And then we're going to get to the coup de grace, the backyard. So primary bedroom, huge big windows, very comfortable in here temperature-wise. We got the shutters, make it very energy efficient, great aesthetic touch. Got a really nice walk-in closet over here. Let's take a peek in it. The lights should automatically pop on. Big old built-ins everywhere. Just a really nice closet. So really beautiful. All right, and over here we have the primary bathroom. So you got 2 sinks, of course, undermount, quartz countertop. Tell me a bit Jose, about this tub real quick.
Aromatherapy, jacuzzi.
Aromatherapy.
Made by Jacuzzi also. And it has air bubbles on the bottom. So also when you're done taking your bath, it blows all the water out, dries out all the pipes and the
really
jets. And you'll never have any mildew or anything like that.
And we have tile in here, no LVP, so the wet areas, of course, sometimes naturally a little bit of water gets around. You don't have to worry about getting into your flooring. Got a nice big beautiful walk-in shower. It's deceptively big from the outside. Come inside and it's really big, nice and tiled out. Got a nice bench over there. That's always very important if you got to sit down or someone needs to shave their legs. And then I like how it's just got the one opening, so you could probably make that into a pretty good little steam shower.
Absolutely.
You got the bathroom right here, of course. We've all seen the bathroom, so shall we head outside?
Yeah.
All right. Now, before we head outside, we do have some curtains right here. So we've got a nice little transparent one there, and then if you needed to black it out, you got these darker blue ones, and they're
We got
automatic.
power drapes.
Power drapes. All right, super cool. After you, sir.
All right.
So we got a nice little covered patio right here. We have a soft serve ice cream and a Icee machine. So more on those later, but it's not just that. You got a beautiful built-in bar, outdoor bar area here. Fridge, right?
Fridge, yep.
Trash.
Trash. Drawers for all the Icee cups and straws and all that good stuff.
Very nice. And we have lights, fan.
Yeah, lights, fans.
Plumbed in music, of course. And then it looks like you have a
drape.
A drape,
Or,
excuse
yeah,
me.
Shade, drop
yeah,
shade.
Drop shade. That'll come down right
Covers this
there.
patio also.
Yeah, very nice. Sometimes that eludes me. And we do have travertine decking all over, so if you're not too familiar with travertine, it's great in the winter, it's great in the summer. It doesn't get too hot, and it looks a million times better than Cool Deck. So this pool is humongous. So in Las Vegas now, you can't, unless it's a commercial property, have over 600 square feet of surface area. We're probably double that on this
we're double
pool.
that on
Maybe,
that.
would you say it was 13?
Quadruple.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
Over 1,200.
Over 1,200 square feet of surface area. Got some really nice steps, polished pebble tech,
Yes.
self-cleaning. We have 3 water features over here, 1, 2, and 3. You also have a fire feature right there in the middle,
Built in 2020,
built in 2020.
so it's very new.
I like how we put the
Privacy
Yeah, the
vine.
privacy vine up there.
Yeah.
I like the wood slatting over there. It looks really nice. And
Lights
then,
up.
oh, sorry, go ahead.
It lights up on the wood at night.
Wood lights up at night too. Surround sound all over the place. Got a great little shallow area here. Great for sunning, or if you don't want to get too deep in the water. And then you were telling me some really cool features about this your jacuzzi.
Yeah, and the jacuzzi, it's got jets all around, but we did do custom jets that I only know of one other spa that has it, and it was the owner of California Pools that had done it. Is we
On-
have,
on the floor for your
on
feet?
the floor for your feet, and then on the sides for your calves.
On the side,
And they're
so
custom jets.
not just in your lower back you're going to get hit. You can get your feet massaged. You can get your lower back massaged. Got a nice little waterfall edge over here, of course.
Yes.
Got a little seat over here that runs the length of the pool,
Yep.
or the length of the sidewall.
Yeah, and then we have set up also for basketball, and also set up in the middle here for volleyball.
Oh, I want to come over. All right, let's go. Before we go check out this amazing outdoor kitchen, we got to go look at the side of the house.
Yeah.
Because you got some really, really cool features that you're probably not going to see in any residential home unless you're talking like maybe a $10, $15 million house. So we do have, all right, just go ahead and tell me about it, Jose.
Well, what we have.
What are these 2 big boxes? I know what they are, but let's tell the public.
This one here, or
Well, this one right here, we know this is a water
this
filter
is for the water filter and the mister system.
for the Mister system in
Yep.
the outdoor kitchen area.
And then these are the Pentair very high energy efficient heaters. So when you want to swim and it's the middle of the winter and a normal pool that size would take 4 or 5 days to heat, you're swimming in hours.
Yeah.
And spa, same thing, you're fired up quick.
So if y'all didn't catch that, so like at my house, we have a pool heater. The one heater is maybe half the size of this, and it takes us a day to fill our 550 square foot surface area pool. This one's like 1,200, 1,300 square feet. You can heat it up in a couple hours, and I'm assuming the jacuzzi is probably in a matter of minutes.
Yeah,
So
it's quick.
all the filter equipment, and now this cool little Generac thing over here. What is this, real quick?
Well, we put in a home generator. So, you know, listening with California doing rolling blackouts, Arizona rolling blackouts, they happen to do those rolling blackouts in the hottest part of the day. And so we put this on, runs your AC, refrigerators, runs the whole house.
And it runs on natural gas.
Runs on natural gas.
Very cool.
Comes on automatically within 20 seconds.
So that's pretty neat. So this is quite the setup over here. Very energy efficient. You don't have to worry about any blackouts. You want your pool heated, it's heated. And then of course, if you got a pooch, you got a nice dog door over here.
And it's electronic, so with the collar.
Oh, very cool.
Yep.
Oh, that's great, because then somebody just can't crawl in
Exactly,
it
yes.
if you know, ill-to-do. All right, so this is a beautiful outdoor kitchen. Like, I'm just gonna let you take it away and tell me about it.
Well, we've done, like I said, travertine all the way through. We've got the fireplace with multiple modes and colors. your TV. Yeah, obviously you can see we run Roku. You've got cable TV out here. Stereo with the surround sound subwoofer. It's just incredible to watch Iron Man or something. You got Lynx BBQ.
Nice little rotisserie on top there.
Yep,
Huge.
rotisserie on top.
One of
You've
my
got
favorite
the
things
Alfa
right here.
Stove oven.
Pizza oven.
Pizza oven, and it's also so you could do gas or wood.
Oh, that's you have me.
Oh,
you had me at hello.
Let me tell you. And we've been out here baking cookies and doing other things also.
I bet.
That's good stuff. Plenty of storage all the way throughout for all your utensils and whatnot. Under counter lighting, you can change the colors and the accents. Beautiful in the evening. You got your teppanyaki, your griddle.
That's awesome.
Your breakfast is amazing out here. Counter space galore. We have set up multiple parties with just food across the counters.
I bet. And then we over here, these two drawers with cold storage.
Refrigerator drawers here.
Yeah, very nice.
Yep.
And then we have a fridge.
And we got a refrigerator. Then you got a Pebble Ice.
Pebble Ice. So if you like
And
Sonic
then
Ice and soft stuff, that everyone wants to chew
can.
on, great.
On the other side, you've got bar stools all the way down.
Bar stools. So if you got people hanging out, chilling, fantastic. Now, one thing is really cool. So I know there's a commercial plaza behind the house, but it is a commercial storage. It is gate entry, access entry, limited hours, so extremely quiet.
No boat storage, no RV storage.
No boat, no
Very
RV,
quiet.
so very nice. And then as you can see, there's shades that you can have them open, or you can really lock it down for privacy. So this is just an amazing,
The
amazing
lighting
backyard.
is on 3 separate zones, so you don't have to have all the lights on underneath. So you got some great ambiance, and you're able to dim the lighting also.
Got a couple of nice fans.
Yeah.
And then of course right here, if you wanted to, this whole front area, the shade would come down as well. So I'm just gonna pan out and kind of get this whole backyard in one nice big sweeping panoramic shot. It's really something. Well, Jose, have we missed anything out here today?
I don't think we have.
I don't think we have either. So
Well, Jose can operate this whole house from his phone or iPad.
yeah, it does have full control force system on the house.
very, very smart home. So
Yeah.
awesome. And Annette, thank you so much for setting this up. We really appreciate you. It's a beautiful listing. Of course, we hope we find the buyer for you. If not, like it's got to go quick because this is something to have.
Definitely.
All right. Well, thank you all so much for joining us today. Of course, my contact information is going to be right there below. Phone, email, website if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you the next time.
Oh,
Wait. Oh, wait, there's more.
we gotta get you an ice cream.
Let's do an ice cream.
Let's do it.
All right. All right, we almost forgot Icee.
Icee.
Right? So
You want red,
I think-
or blue, or mixed?
you got to go mixed,
All
right?
right.
You can't just go red or blue. I can think of many movies where someone's put their mouth up in there and take a nice big pull. So
This house
look at that.
has it all,
This-
and it's super clean for your pickiest buyer.
that's right. Oh, fantastic.
Wonderful. Look at that.
All right, everyone, have a great day. I know we are. Bye-bye.